Turn down your volume. Okay.
Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to Motor
Stop.
X3M.
Do it there. Do it there.
Let's do this again. Now let's get right into it. While we're in my map, I'm gonna get my other bikes. Which one do you think I should get? I'm gonna go with the Alien because it's my favorite.
And when you see us in the next video, subscribe.
Subscribe to my video. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah, Roll Dirty. Yeah.
In the description below, ask him what next video you should use.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think I should use Pineapple 32?
No, the bike.
My
The bike.
other bike game? Or this bike game? We'll see in the next video. Yeah, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. That's just some awesome stuff. I'm gonna go on fast. Yeah, double flip. Right to the eye. Oh God!
Ain't that one of the old maps?
Yeah, we made it. Let's go. I don't want to think about that. Let's just. Yeah, you guys want to mess with the boss, that alien? Yeah, I'm gonna do double flip. Yeah, two flips.
Oh,
Oh God, guys, I just stopped at the right now. No more tires. We got not as many people on here. Let's just see what we're good. And you can see the first one. Now let's go on the next level. Done.
in the next video, you're gonna see me play Minecraft and
Please subscribe at the bottom below. Like I say, if you give me 5,000 subscribers, I will do something real special.
Wait until he gets to that level. Get to 10.
I will do anything for you. Just subscribe for me, put a like on the button, and let's just keep it going.
And subscribe to my channel, CM Xbox, or you just write Cody Marini, and I'm giving a giveaway for a Mewtwo EX.
Oh, you should get that. If you subscribe to the bottom, then you will get it. So you have to subscribe. And I'm selling like something. I don't really know what I want to sell.
Here, wait. Don't come in here playing because there's enough people in here.
I can't go in. That's bad. Yeah. Take it down.
Don't forget to turn down your voice so they can hear you.
Got better than I. Got better. think I might be sweet.
Oh, dodge that.
Do you know you're recording?
Peace.
Yeah. Ooh, that's it. I got 2 stars out of all of that. Piece of cruds.
Reds.
Come on.
I have a first channel, it sucks. My other channel it has 145 subscribers.
For real?
So,
Guys, I just